Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing or creating the visual parts you will turn into an item. Import obj/fbx or build parts in Studio. This is how you control appearance and hitbox. Once done, add 512x 512 textures and assign them to materials so your item reads correctly on devices. Make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can set names and attributes. You need a consistent naming scheme now to avoid confusion later when scripting and publishing the item. Now you give the item function. Place a tool in Starter Pack for immediate testing or server storage for controlled spawning. Add a handle part and configure physics. Anchored must be false, set can collide appropriately, and mark massless if needed to avoid physics glitches. Then add scripts. Local script for client-side visuals and input, script for server-side validation and replication. Test frequent edge cases in play mode so you catch timing and ownership issues before publishing. Finish by publishing and optionally monetizing the item. Upload the model or bundle to the Creator Marketplace and set pricing if you plan to sell. This is where Asset ID are generated. Once published, test the item in different clients and with another account to confirm replication and permissions. If something breaks, check the output for errors, ensure remote events have correct filtering, and reassign ownership or re-import assets. These quick checks resolve most final issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.